Being stuck at home means going on our phones more and also scrolling aimlessly. Squarespace took this chance to market in different platforms and is literally advertised everywhere, from Instagram sponsored stories or to watching YouTubers promote about it in their videos. So Squarespace is basically a website builder that helps you launch and grow your business. It doesn't even have to be a business. It could be a blog, online store, portfolio showcasing your work. It can literally be anything, but they have customizable templates, designs, fonts, anything you want. You just have to input your information and your pictures and voila, you're done. Squarespace is claimed to be an award-winning website design, and today we are going to be putting this to the test to see if it really is a website builder for anyone or if YouTubers are just being paid to say so. I have zero experience in website design, zero coding experience, and never launched a website before, but I'm crossing my fingers and hoping my good eye put this magic to work. First, I decided on gathering my photos, my work that I've been working on, and really asking myself what the purpose I wanted this website to be, and the end result that I wanted it to lead to. So the end goal for me is for people to book me and contact me so that we can work on projects together. So I created a page just for services so that people know what services I offer, and on the next page they can contact me if they are interested in working with me. So make sure to really think about what to include in the key pages before starting to design. Okay, so now we are going to be talking about pricing. I find it very important to look at the pricing list to make sure that you are subscribing to something long-term, and that's something that is cheap, affordable, and something that you agree on. So right now I'm looking at Squarespace pricing list. There are 4 different accounts that you can have with different pricing. Obviously, the more expensive, there is more function. But the lowest one that they have is $12, and it also comes with a free custom domain, which is awesome because some of the websites, they don't provide the domain. Next off, I am just going to be going to GoDaddy because it is a domain site that has a lot of cheap domains that you can get for. I just want to get BethanyVaughn.com, and oh my god, it's only for 99 cents, and oh my god, it's only $1.24 to start your own website with your domain that you want, which is amazingly cheap. Okay, but I'm just going to be going back to Squarespace just because I was going to get their plan anyways. But make sure to always use their discount or promo code. Right now they're having save 20 April for 20%, or a lot of YouTubers, they have like a 10% coupon code in the description box below. And then get started. This is the template that I'm gonna choose with, and then I'm gonna select my plan, $12, and voila, you're done. That was so easy. But now I set up my website, I just have to go get my domain, get a domain. I am hoping that they have BethanyVaughn.com because this is something that I've always wanted and it's my full name anyways. So I'm just gonna click everything and make sure I have this domain. And I got my domain. And that was so easy to get my domain. And now I have my website and my domain all set, and I'm gonna start designing. So if we're going to be looking at design and what Squarespace has to offer, pages and design are the 2 tabs that you want to be focusing on. So under pages, you basically set up all the main navigations that you want people to see. There's not much there, to be honest. But if you click edit to add a section, there's literally so many templates that you can choose from. You can showcase your gallery or even setting reservations with your clients. Now moving on to design, this is where the fun starts. Everything is basically customizable to your liking from now on. As you can see, there's fonts, colors, spacing, and even the animation of how the website is laid out. Do you want it to fade in, slide up, or expand? Which is honestly such a cool feature. Moving down, there is a browser icon, which is basically the small logo on your tab. I did use a different website to design it since Squarespace didn't have a function to do so, but honestly, it's not a big deal. So by this point, everything is basically set up for you, but you just have to play around to see what looks good. But also, if you're a techie person, there's this function at the bottom called custom CSS, which you can program some of your own stuff if Squarespace does not provide it, which I think is awesome because it satisfies everyone. So if you go back to the main page, there's commerce, marketing, and scheduling tabs, but you can only use this if you have the business account, which I don't. BigCommerce is basically where you can control your orders if you decide to start an online business, and it tracks all the payments, inventories, and money, which is super convenient. The marketing is basically more advertising and linking different social media platforms together. And if you move down to scheduling, it's basically a faster way for customers to book you through the website. But keep in mind, if you do want to get these features, you can always upgrade your plan if you do change your mind. Last, we have analytics, which basically comes with a personal account. It tracks the traffic source, engagement rate, and it basically shows your performance on the website, which I think is a super important feature to have when launching a website. So I'm basically done designing my website. The last thing that I need to do is to publish my website. I am just going to figure this out. Oh, settings, site availability, public. And my website is live. So for my website, as you can tell, I tried to go for a very pinkish, white, and black tones. That's my color palette. First thing that's going to lead you to is about. It's just some information about myself, and then when you go to my work, you can see them. Oh my god. And then there's YouTube, services, and contact, and there's like 3 logos on the side where you can reach me from Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. That is honestly my website, and I'm so excited. But that's how I created my website, guys. This is my first time launching a website, and I've never created a website before, and with Squarespace it was so easy to do everything. I think first off, when I started, I was struggling with it, trying to figure out what pages are and how to edit it, and like how I could add in templates, how I could change the color palette. It was just a bit of figuring out, but after that I got the hang of it and it was so much easier. Functionality, I would rate this a 10 out of 10, honestly. It has everything that you need. Overall, I am rating Squarespace at 10 out of 10. Like, I know a lot of YouTubers, they talk about it, but they literally just talk about it, but they don't really show how they do it. And like, through this video, I am proving this website works, and it's so easy to use. So if you guys want to launch your own website or anything like that, make sure to check out Squarespace. I know there's other websites like Wix, Weebly, Shopify. There's so many websites that you can use, but I decided to stick with Squarespace, and I'm so happy with my choice. And I'm going to be keeping this for 1 year, and if I do see any improvements with networking, connection, finding a job, I will stay subscribed to Squarespace for future years if it does help my business. But if you guys do want to start your website, this is honestly the best time to be starting your website since you have a lot of time in your hands. But that's basically it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed these types of video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and comment down below what you guys want me to try next. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.